In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. The biological function which perform gaseous exchange, photosynthesis, respiration, both are involved in gaseous. Plants do exchange of gases through roots के ज़रिए भी होता है, स्टेम के ज़रिए भी होता है, स्टोमेटा यानी all of these. Each stomata is formed by two guard cells. Respiratory surface possess following property: thin and wet, permeable, very large. All of these. Inspiration involves contraction of intercostal muscles, yes. Contraction of diaphragm, yes. Inward movement of ribs. इनवर्ड नहीं होता, आउटवर्ड होता है इसमें इंस्पायरेशन में, ठीक है. तो ए और बी सही है इसमें. लैरिंग्स इज़ लोकेटेड ऑन. लैरिंग्स हमारे पास कहाँ पे होता है? ट्रेकिया में. रेस्पिरेटरी सरफेस ऑफ ह्यूमन इज alveoli. Increase in the rate of breathing is due to the following: increase carbon dioxide in blood. Which of the following disorder is associated with degeneration of alveoli? Emphysema. Which of the following disorder is associated with the inflammation of air passageway? Air passageway, asthma. The internal condition of an organism is referred as internal environment. A set of metabolism reactions which maintain internal environment is homeostasis. A removal of extra liquid water is inquitation. Plant grow near coastal area called halophyte. Organ of human body which is considered on the largest organ is skin. The maintenance of body temperature within suitable limit is called maintenance of body temperature is thermoregulation. The kidney is enclosed in a membrane called peritoneum. Network of blood capillaries present in the layer of skin, dermis. Selective reabsorption in the nephron take place at the loops of Henle. The hormone ADH released from activity in relation to change in environment is response. Stimulus is detected by a receptor. The type of coordination through electrochemical signal is nervous. The chemical release from one cell and carried to signal some distant cell through blood are hormones. The type of coordination exhibited by plants. Plants show chemical coordination. The part of brain involved in the reasoning is frontal lobe. The part of brain involved in the balance and precision in movement is balance cerebellum. Vital function for survival of animals are regulated by autonomic subdivision. The shortest path of reflex action consists of two neurons. The type of lens in our eye is convex. The automatic process of proper image of near object is accommodation. The vitamin necessary for the proper vision is vitamin A. A color blindness person cannot see red. The book Kitab al-Manazir was written by Ibn al-Haytham. Sensory hair cells are present in cochlea. The gonads are the target organ for FS and LH, both A and B. Irritation caused by stimulus is the main cause of movement. The framework which gives shape to any structure called skeleton. The cartilage are made of the head of femur attached with pelvic girdles. The large muscles of arm is bicep. The band of tough fibrous connective tissue which are attached to bone at joint. Connective tissue which are attached to bone at joint called tendon. Softening and weakening of bone in children due to deficiency of vitamin D called rickets. The muscles which is responsible to straighten the limb is extensor. The pair of muscles where both work in opposite direction, antagonist. The process which is essential for containing and survival of species. Reproduction. Type of reproduction which is necessary for evolution is sexual reproduction. The unicellular structure responsible for asexual reproduction without fusion is spores. The example of stem which run horizontally on the surface of soil produce vegetatively. Mint. Plant stem that arise from buds on the base of the parent plants are bulb. The type of seed production without fusion of male and female gamete is seed production, apomysis. The female gametophyte of angiospermic plant is embryosaic. 3 zygote is angiosperm developed into endosperm. The male gonads in the rabbits are testes. The female gametes are fertilized in rear end of oviduct fallopian tube. दोनों में होता है, both A and B. The branch of biology deals with the study of heredity and variation is called genetics. The way by which gene transmit characters from parent to offspring is heredity. Two similar chromosomes in a cell which are similar in shape, size and position of centromere called homologous. The chemical material of a chromosome is called chromatin. The outer part of DNA helix made up of sugar and phosphate is called upright. Outer part is upright while inner part is a rung. The small segment of DNA which has information to code one protein is called gene. The exact duplication of DNA is called replication. If both the parents donate same factors of a character is called homozygous. The generation of a trait is called genome. Standing envelope of Earth is biosphere. The group of organisms belongs to the same species live in a particular area is called population. An area where community interacts with non-living environment is called ecosystem. Ecosystem in a biological region recognized by its climate or vegetation is called biomes. The transfer of food material from producer through some organism with repeated eating and being eaten is called food chain. The element in ecosystem recycle through organism with environment is called biogeochemical cycle. process where nitrogenous compound of living organism convert into nitrates is called nitrification. Same habitat is called competition. The association between two different types of organism which get benefit to each other cannot live without each other is called mutualism. The amount of solid waste or concentration of gases other than oxygen increase in atmosphere is called air pollution. Who is father of antiseptic? Lister. For treatment of rheumatoid arthritis can be obtained from minerals. Drugs that disrupt normal brain functioning are categorized as sedatives. Vaccination can be administered before infection. The substance which inhibit the growth of bacteria can be considered as bacteriostatic. Harris is addicted to a drug which left the following effect on Harris is addicted to a drug which left the following effect on Harris: blurred vision, making unseen faces in imagination, euphoria. Identify the drug to which Harris is addicted. Hallucinogen. Which one is not the effect of misuse of antibiotics? The artificial manipulation, medication and recombination of DNA, genetic engineering. The earlier biotechnologies were farmers, and the complete graph of human genome was created by HGP. Alcohol and antibiotics on large scale production by organism. Biotechnology and industry. Most of the living things use O2 to produce ATP. In acidic formulation, lactic acid produced from pyruvic acid. The bread dough rises during alcoholic fermentation is due to carbon dioxide. The container used to grow bacteria on large scales are called fermenters. Naturally occurring enzyme used as a defense chemical by bacteria. Restriction enzyme. Extract circular DNA which used as vector of gene is plasmid.